creating a pivot table with region, month, sales and profit margin with me, Duncan Williamson, November 2024, between the sheets. Excellence since 2000. The question was, how can I use a pivot table in Excel to analyze sales data by month and region and include a calculated field for profit margin? Well, let's work through an example as I explain how to do what you're trying to do. Firstly, my data set. It contains some fairly basic data, just 50 rows altogether. And you can see I've included a code number for the salesperson, the region, account, and so on, across to a sales amount. I got everything ready, but of course there are things in that table that we don't need for this exercise, but I left them there. First things first, convert the range to an Excel table so that it looks like this. And to convert the range into an Excel table, just put the cursor somewhere inside the range of data, press the Control key and, keeping it pressed, press the letter T as well. And now let go of both keys and that will present you with an Excel table. First things first, after that, give the table a useful name by changing it from Table 1 or whatever Excel calls it, and give it a name something like sales_DW or table sales_DW. And do that on the table design ribbon. In the bottom left hand corner you can see here. You can create your pivot table now using your Excel table. From the table design ribbon you'll see the option to create a pivot table there in the top left hand corner of that ribbon. Just confirm the source of your data and tell Excel where to place your pivot table on a new worksheet, in my case, and then click OK. You wanted month, region, and the profit margin in your table, so I created this table first. Month, region, profit, sales amount. And now we're ready to calculate the profit margin in this way. With your cursor somewhere in the pivot table, select the Pivot Table Analyze ribbon and from there click on the Fields, Items and Sets icon to reveal this dialog box on the right hand side. You can see how I created the formula by naming it and then selecting and including the field names in the formula bar. And click OK when you're happy that you've got it right, and once you do that you'll probably find that your calculated column is now included in your pivot table. If not, drag it there. So your calculated column is now included in your pivot table, and I mean here, and I mean here, but just in case, if you find it here, which it should be, but it's not there, that's what I mean, drag that down or click to select it there, and it will be included in the values. And finally, you might have noticed that my formula just says profit divided by sales amount, and not profit divided by sales amount times 100. That's because I tend to work with decimals and format the percentages in the table itself. Anyway, that's how to do it. And thank you for watching. With me, Duncan Williamson, Between the Sheets, Excellence since 2000. I'll see you in the next one.